Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get your API key for LangChain. Okay. So first up, go ahead and log into smith.langchain.com. Now once you're in here, pop this window out. Okay. Just click on this button and then go ahead and click on settings. Click. And here as you can see, just click on API keys and you'll be landed to this specific page. Okay. All you have to do is just click on create API key. Add in the description. Okay. Maybe sample. It could be a personal access token or a service key. Personal access used for authenticating with the API as an individual user. Service key is tied to a service principal for automation and CI workflows. Okay. Just choose whatever you want right here. And if you want an expiration date, go ahead and choose from these options or use custom. Okay. I'm just going to set this one as never or never expire. Click on create API key. And here, copy it and save it to a safe place. Okay. Once you have this one copied, click on I've saved the API key to a safe place and it will be gone. Okay. You won't be able to see it again. All right. Make sure that you have saved it. And there you have it. That's how you get API key for LangChain. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.